Alright, YouTube. This is a slight instructional video of how, for a 2007 Nissan Altima, how to take off the rear top area of the speakers. I don't know how to mess with these airbags, these panel. I'm not about to figure that out myself, so I had to figure out another way how to take this off. Now here, first things first, I had already taken all these off, so I needed to figure it out before I make the video. Got this little panel right here that has these screws. It's not really screws, it's like little grommets. These here, simple. Put a screwdriver into those little slots, pop it off, pull it out. Got about, I don't know, 6, maybe 5. Pop that off, comes right off. Set it aside. Now the hard part is up here. You got two. I kind of unbowed it right in the center so I can lift it up, because right here on the sides, let me take it out of the way. Took it off. They have these little hooks that hook on two sides. These, I made a mess out of it, but whatever. I just want to get the speakers out. Limited time. This one is pretty simple to pop out. I just put a screwdriver and push down, push this back, and it popped off. This one harder because you have to move the whole panel. You got to push it back because it's in a hole. And this little slot that hooks on there pretty good. So you got to push back on the whole panel. Put a screwdriver in, I don't know, work it, and it'll pop off. It's on both sides. Then you got full access. Once you have that, you bow the center in, pull it straight out, up and over. These seat belt things, these are bolted onto this. I didn't even want to move that. Can't take that off. I didn't want to do extra work, but now I have access. Hopefully you guys found this entertaining. Have any questions, let me know.